What if you could fly faster than any commercial plane on Earth, in a jet that feels more like a luxury hotel than an aircraft? This is the Bombardier Global 8000, an 80 million masterpiece that redefines private aviation. From record-breaking range to the world's fastest non-supersonic speed, this jet is built for those who don't follow. They lead. Unveiled in 2022 and expected to enter service by 2025, the Global 8000 is Bombardier's most ambitious project yet. It builds on the success of the Global 7500, but pushes boundaries even further in performance, innovation, and design. Let's talk numbers, because this jet doesn't just impress, it dominates. Top speed? Mach 0.94, making it the fastest business jet ever built. Range? 8,000 nautical miles? That's New York to Dubai, non-stop. And it cruises at 51,000 feet, far above commercial traffic. Powering this beast are twin GE Passport engines, built for ultra-long-range performance, maximum fuel efficiency, and whisper-quiet operation. These engines don't just move you fast. They do it with elegance, reduced emissions, and serious thrust. In test flights, it even outpaced commercial giants like the Boeing 747, proving it's built for global dominance. Inside, the Global 8000 delivers unmatched luxury and comfort. It offers 4 distinct living zones, perfect for working, dining, relaxing, and sleeping in total privacy. You get a full-size bed in the primary suite, a stand-up shower with sunlight lighting, and zero-gravity new age seats designed to reduce fatigue. The Purr air system delivers hospital-grade air every 90 seconds, keeping passengers refreshed and alert across long-haul flights. The cockpit features Bombardier's cutting-edge Vision flight deck with fly-by-wire controls, synthetic vision, and heads-up display. For pilots, that means better situational awareness. For passengers, it means safer, smoother, and smarter flights. The price, around 80 million, and that's just the base. Annual operating costs can exceed $1 million, and chartering a Global 8000 could cost up to $15,000 per hour. But if you're flying this jet, you're not counting dollars, you're buying back time. From speed and range to luxury and design, the Global 8000 sets a new benchmark for what's possible in the sky. Would you choose this over the Gulfstream G800? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you love private jets, yachts, and billionaire lifestyle, subscribe. The sky's just the beginning.